We've never given you guys a tour of campgrounds, or at least why we pick them. This one is such a perfect place to do it in because it's really posh. You see what's coming down the river?
Why is it going so slow?
Because barges travel slow. See all the coal on top of the barge?
Yeah. Why is it called coal?
Because that's what that material is. You burn coal.
Burn coal?
Yeah.
On trains?
Yeah, you can burn it on trains. You can burn it in a fireplace.
There's a barge on that big boat. Oh, there's a big boat behind it.
That's the barge. There's 3 barges, well 6 total.
Wow.
Isn't that something?
How does it make those big waves right there?
That's the propeller.
Ah.
What a scenic place this is. An Army Corps of Engineer park near Birmingham, Alabama. Look at this place. They decked it out. Get it?
You know there should be some kind of warning, 'cause we've been down this road before. Oh, in the late night, in early morning, our love should be an open door.
And now let me draw his mouth.
Again, oh, it's hard to feel.
I'm drawing Olaf. He's from Frozen. Yeah, Frozen.
Again, oh, heaven forbid.
Good thing they built steps so we could get down.
Yes. You guys got the fishing bug?
We saw it coming, we heard the sirens.
We're gonna go to the pier.
Kept our heads in the sand. And now we're back drifting, just lonely islands. We still swim, but we can't see land. And so we're on and off and on again. Oh, it's hard to
Are you catching anything?
No.
and then we're off and on and off again. Oh, heaven forbid. It's the same old fire.
When they first made this lake, they didn't cut nothing. Right over there, that used to be a lock and dam.
Yeah.
Right over there, the old lock 16. When I first come up here, this lake right here was something else. It had, you talking about a glory hole of fishing. There used to be some slabs in here, man. When that was first couple of years after it was backed up, man, you could catch crappie in here, you wouldn't believe it.
Wow.
That's what happens when you get a new lake.
Bad news about this campground is that they've made it a little pricey. Huh?
It costs
Yeah.
Good rain day.
These sites right here,
about
they're
$5.
huh?
About $5.
$28 a night.
Right here,
Yeah, right here.
the Corps Engineers
Yeah.
made it $28 a night.
Yeah.
When they first built that place over there, it was one of the nicest places you ever seen.
I bet you.
They had picnic tables.
Yeah.
It had what we used to call, you might call them outhouses,
Yeah.
but they were
All
nice. They were nicely built, and there was
Oh, yeah.
one for men and one for women.
Yeah.
They had 3 sets of them over there. There's certain parts over there that they tore down all the outhouses but 2.
Well, that's good. At least you got a place to go. Look, guys, this is a big catfish.
I want to see. Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, that's nice. Wow,
cool.
that's big.
That's channel.
Those are fun to reel in.
Yeah, that's at least 4
Yeah, he
pounds.
gave me a fight.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, he gave me a fight.
I bet you. Axel, please don't get wet.
I caught him up at Bankhead Dam up there in the woods.
Yeah, over there.
It's the woman in me, and it's the woman in you. Come on, let me show you how to do it, do it, do.
What are you guys dressed for?
After we were swimming, we just designed this.
You did? Well, you are styling, buddy.
I helped Emma get dressed.
Let me see you. Oh my goodness.
I also wore a hat.
And you wore a necklace.
I also got a magazine, a shirt, a dress, and then a little tutu, some
And pants and socks.
and then a little jacket.
Jacket. You are decked out.
Same thing as me.
Yes, same thing as you, buddy.
He wore a long sleeve shirt and a this is what I wore at the wedding.
Yes, it is. Daddy's got a fish?
There's kind of fish.
You got away.
Got away.
That's definitely a bluegill.
Yeah. Poor little thing.
I know. Yeah, they don't. When I used to fish, when we were little, like bluegills as big as your hand.
No.
Emma, look. I found one.
He found one, yeah.
Ooh, I gotta let him go though.
What kind is it? What is it?
It's a bluegill.
It's a bluegill, Emma. How did the hook get on the fish? Why is
Yeah, you can touch him once, Axel. Then let me let him
What are
go.
those gills?
Those are the gills. You see them opening? Right
We're
here.
gonna let him go.
Ready?
He breathes with bubbles.
Woo!
There he goes.
He's got the fishing bug.
Oh.
We've never really seen a government campground, you know, Army Corps of Engineer, National Forest, National Park, even city and state parks be this lavish. The entire bathhouse, everything is air conditioned. It has a laundry room, it's air conditioned. It's $1 wash, $1 dry. So inexpensive. And it's one of the reasons we picked this one is because it was laundry time, and when it's laundry time, one of the things that we do is pick a campground that has laundry. Army Corps of Engineer just build these things just so amazingly well. This one over here, almost everything on it, just like most Army Corps of Engineer parks, are almost overbuilt, which is good for us. Over here, one of the things that really made us pick this park, even though it might not have signal, is the decks. It's so rare to get campgrounds that have a deck available to you, where it's like having a little cabin in the woods, you know, with the river right there. Yes, definitely a cabin in the woods. And that brings me to one of the most important reasons we use to pick a campground, and that is signal strength. Because we need self-coverage for so much of what we do. One of the main reasons that we pick a campground is if it has cell coverage available. And you miss out on a lot of things, is the thing. Campgrounds like these, they're by a river, so their rivers are usually in a canyon. And when you go down like this, you're kind of inside the canyon and you don't really have a very good reception, if any reception at all. So we're kind of going a little bit out of our comfort zone in order to come to places like this and just figuring out how to deal with it. You know, if you're within 10 to 20 miles outside of a major city, or if you're within 5 to 10 miles from a major highway, chances are you're going to have degraded cell service or none at all. It's a call that you have to make when you do these kind of things so that you can enjoy places like this. Because these are a little bit more out of the way, and we really want to camp and live around places that are more like this, that are a little bit out of the way. They're a little built. We're stepping out of our comfort zone in order to have these kind of things available to us, and we'll see how it works out. So far, it's fine. We haven't really missed the internet. We've prepared for this kind of thing, so we're doing really, really good. As we progress forward, we'll see how many places we go to where the signal strength is non-existent like it is at this park. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a little glimpse of the campground and how well some of these Army Corps of Engineer parks are built. It really is beautiful, and to have all this right here is really charming. There you go. Not in your ear.